What's up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in a building with another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to Too Much by TrackAddictz, the official music video clip. Video clip. So we know that they're from Sydney. We see the Sydney, the 2200. So yeah, pretty keen to check these guys out. I haven't heard of any of their tracks before, unless this was their first track. I've seen them on Instagram. I think PolyRappers posted them, so as you guys know, PolyRappers is the go-to for updates on music, stuff like that coming out. So yeah, also it's 26 on trending. No bad. If you're new to my channel, this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos for you guys. And also before we get into the track, we also got some poly businesses here, poly merch.
PolyMovement, please fams.
As you guys know, we did drop a video.
Check it up here.
So we did a reaction to the brother D'Angelo, who owns the brand. Yeah, please check it out.
Check out his story and his why.
Yeah.
His why. It's really nice.
Definitely a moving story.
Yeah. Please support our poly business. 100%. He has a barber shop too, so barber, and he sells his merch. Yeah. And
also I'm wearing an XL. I like a bit of bag. I usually get a large and that's pretty baggy, but I might get some extra large now. I like this. Quality feels like.
Yeah, it's nice.
Bro, I feel like I could wear it for like 3 years and it still won't stretch.
We should do a giveaway.
Yeah, 100%.
He also sells hoods too, so
yeah, check out the hoods.
No, we'll do a giveaway. We'll do a giveaway. We'll do a giveaway.
So stay tuned for that, fams.
We'll go live soon.
Yeah, 100%. But yeah, thank you to those that have requested for us to react to this track. Appreciate it heaps, fam. Let's get to it.
Disclaimer.
Oh, we got a nice little disclaimer here.
This video is made for entertainment purposes only. The lyrics and characters of the song are all fictional and should not be taken literally.
You know what that means?
Okay, 4 minutes. Oh, it's long.
Oh, it's a long one. Oh, you've seen the interior though.
Them boys too much, they can never be us. Why they try so hard, but tell them pull up. Came up from the bottom, now we headed to the top. Turn the hill to a win, we ain't never gonna stop. Dead set, cunts burn when you get it good. That's why they always throwing in subliminals. They want spam, money stay cynical. Creative minds figure like, but you'll stay minimal. You acting like you can't get it on your own. Sending shots to my...
Sorry, did you see that?
What?
FTP, FTS.
Yeah, what does FTS? I was trying to figure out what that...
System maybe?
Oh, bruh.
I'm guessing.
Bro, I like what he said. We all know about those subliminal messages, hey guys. Let's go.
Us polys are good at doing subliminal messages.
If we do conspiracy theories, so we'd be pretty good at that too.
Creative minds figure like, but you'll stay minimal. You acting like you can't get it on your own. Sending shots to my chest, trying to pick a bone. I'm trying to stay on track and take trips for the money. Shades on in the dark, blocking haters like it's sunny. I lost some good to the greed over money, but you know I never let the devil in and never come me. I'm a bad motherfucker when I wanna be. I ain't the wannabe that you used to be. Troublemaking motherfuckers, heavy beef and never clap. Many roads in construction, this will take another rap. I'ma settle for the dummy, always spit it in your face. I got dreams to pursue, I ain't trying to catch a case. Too much, they can never be us. Why they try so hard, tell a pull up. Came up from the bottom, now we headed to the top. Turn the hill to a win, we ain't never gonna stop.
Ain't nothing about it funny, he's praying at you dummies. I'm about it sunny and you far from the money. Don't ever get it twisted, I'll get you uplifted. Ain't talking about your spirit, have your corpse gone missing. Keep it 100 and ask about me youngin'. I took it to a level, don't need dream about buddy. But run a fucking nose, I took it on me own. I did it like no other, had a bacon in me stove. So what if you expose? Keep talking like you know. How far you think you get from it, doing it for show? Keep it in your lane, quit doing it for the viewing. See, a different breed, heard us coming, now they spewing. Guys, now we sense you gon' learn to keep it shut. Get yapping at the gums, you gon' end up in me trunk. Give us me deal, I'm here to call the bluff. Tick-tock, time's up, bride, tell 'em pull up.
I was just about to say, can I just say the first guy, I don't know why, maybe because he sort of looks like Mr. Sick, he just made me feel like he's he gave me Mr. Sick vibes or something for some reason. Do you feel like? No. I don't know
Mr.
what
Sick
it
is Mr. Sick.
Yeah, I don't know what. I don't know why I thought Mr. Sick.
Yeah, come to think of it.
The way he moves as well, like. I don't know what it is.
Suave.
Yeah, the suave, you know. Okay. Anyways.
Dang.
Now who claiming realist? No one wants to admit it. They talking so heavily, but ain't about the business. I'm
sorry, what was it?
Them is
Realist.
Now who claiming realist? No one wants to admit it. They talking so heavily, but ain't about the business. I'm aiming at you bitches, so let me know what's goody. You run up on your crew, no bellies, just some hoodies now.
They could be
Y'all
aimed at a lot of
play too
people.
much.
Y'all play too much.
You and your beef too much.
Damn.
Too much for me.
I'm all about that chicken, man.
But ain't about the business. I'm aiming at you bitches, so let me know what's goody. You run up on your crew, no bellies, just some hoodies. Now I know you understood me. TA brought it back. We're the best ever to bless this odds rap. Single frame, no flash. I hope you get the picture. Send them back running, you can take the L with ya. Fingers stay Twitter, stay banging on the net. We in it for the kill, yeah, we banging for the set. See how you doing heads, they're hanging on a thread. How the hell they killing it when we're the biggest threats? It's time to pay the debt. I'll take your cash in hand. Time to get this paper up, cash in high demand. We'll never take the stand. Start just saying us. Never catch us stacking cause them boys are too hot. Boys too much, they can never be us. Why they try so hard, bruh? Tell them pull up. Came up from the bottom, now we heading to the top. Turn the L to a win, we ain't never gonna stop. Put on looking fresh like I'm out here doing bizzo. That's why this.
Can I just look at that tattoo? Damn. Does it say all sorts together or something? Damn, that was.
Stand together.
Oh. Damn, that tat was pretty.
Oh,
Also
also
stand together. What a long tat, man.
nice tat.
Yeah. Nice tat. Jokes, man, I was chucky. I get on my collar, man. Damn.
I'm gonna wake up with a style.
I don't. Puffed eyes can't see a thing. Okay, no more being my colours, eh? But that's
Say hurry up! You keep looking at the movie.
sorry. Well.
Put on looking fresh like I'm out here doing bizzo. That's why this copper dog surveillance still like some heroes. We can suck a dick, I ain't saying shit, buddy. If you really want me, come and find me, where's Wally? I'm out here in my city getting litty with the best. Doing big things, calculate our moves like chance. We ain't saying that we better, just saying that we ahead. Flow so sick, we in need of some meds. Are you rolling with a crew? Well, I can get it too. Like a pair of fresh kicks, I bust them up in twos. Everybody chasing power, acting like a ghost. Strap with that Zomei, now it's time for you to go. I ain't in it chasing clout, I'm in it to get paid. I ain't here to fuck around, all I know is running straight. Pull up anytime if he's really got a problem. This is Sydney City, bro, tell him that I'm gone. The boys too much, they can never be us. Why they try so hard, bro, tell them pull up.
Do you know what I was just gonna say? That's smart that they throw it on the ground in bundles so you know it's your money. If you fly it out like randomly, you know, someone might just pick up your kupe.
Mate, we got islanders there.
Yeah. Hey!
You want to pick it up, it'll be nothing there.
Pistol Pete and Enzo up in here.
Well,
There. I'm sure.
shut your mouth. You delete that. You edit that out. That was a lady.
Nah, that's Pistol Pete.
Bro, tell them that I'm gone. The boys too much, they can never be us. Why they try so hard, bro, tell them.
See? That's Pistol Pete and Enzo. Oh, see? That's not a lady.
Get my glasses.
Your foot. The confidence.
Sorry. They were glasses. I thought it was a lady.
Confidence, yeah. Stop if that's a lady.
Then I'm thinking, why is a lady in this
Yeah, that's
video?
what I was like, what?
I mean, well, you got kids on there. Why not have ladies on there?
I'm dead, bro. I'm gonna get
I'm
your
dead.
glasses.
I'm dead.
Somebody about to fight you, Mo. Okay, now we have to go back because Mum just stuffed up. I got her
Tell them
glasses.
that I'm gone. The boys too much, they can never be us. Why they try so hard, bro, tell them pull up. Came up from the bottom, now we heading to the top. Turn the L to a win, we ain't never gonna stop. The
never be us. Why they try so hard, bro? Tell them pull up. Came up from the bottom, now we headed to the top. Turn the L to a win, we ain't never gonna stop. The boys too much.
Oh.
That's an island thing, isn't it?
Yeah, we always celebrating.
That go for hostel thing.
Yeah. Go. Man, I miss the CVC.
Wow.
So I know that there's 4 artists. So when I was looking in the bio, I saw that Huncho was Red Huncho.
Red Huncho.
Yeah, Red Huncho.
Oh, Huncho.
Sorry, Red Huncho is the only name that sounds familiar to me. Every other name is definitely something new for me. So yeah.
That Miller, yeah.
Yeah. I've never heard of Miller before as well. So that's a new suburb to
Yeah, that's their shopping mall. Miller's.
So definitely a new suburb to add to the list. Definitely heard of Mount Druitt and Bankstown before. So what do you think about the track, Mum B?
I like the vibe. You can definitely feel the poly in it.
Yeah, especially the ending, eh?
And it, I didn't like that it had the kids in it, but
yeah,
each to their own.
Yeah.
I thought it had females in it. Sorry.
Stop it right now.
I was gonna be proud, but
yeah.
Whew.
My gosh, Mum. Sorry about that, guys. It's just a bit lame off at the
go.
moment.
No, better go into witness protection. I don't know. It's not really my thing. It's not as dark as other videos. Eh? It's not
like I still feel the vibe in it. Yeah.
I felt that poly vibe, which was nice.
Yeah. I actually really like the track. I really like the track. Don't condone violence or anything like that, but other than that, the vibe, like I felt like jumping. I don't know why it gave me
like
like
social.
Yeah, it gave me like social vibes for some reason. So seeing the song Miki and seeing the Also Forever, I didn't think they were Samoan. I thought they were Tom and Cook Island or something like that. And I saw the Usos to stand together, and I was just like,
I saw that first.
Yeah, no, I saw that.
You're the boy.
Yeah, I was actually quite shocked. I'm not sure if all of them are Samoan, but yeah, it's good to see. You know, you're still learning about the brothers here. I just want to say that they definitely feel like OGs. Like they give me OG vibes.
Like older.
Yeah, like they don't feel like they're young to me.
Yeah.
Like mature. Maybe they're young, but they talk in a mature way. Like they give me a mature, like that mature vibe.
Kind of relate to them like how, kind of feel like that Alofa to them, like how we feel with sons.
Yeah, like I feel that. I feel like I respect them already. Like I don't know what it is, but I really like the clip. I love the effects in it. I love the look of it. It didn't look like ashy or nothing like that. I really like it. Good graphics. Good graphics. Visuals. I really like it. So shout out to Dom Sebin Films. First time hearing of this guy. I'll give it an 8.
Yeah, I'll give it a 7. 7. It's not my thing, but it's just.
It was 8, you know?
Yeah, it was 8, yeah.
Other than that, please subscribe to the Bros channel, check out their other music, support them, follow them on their socials, spread their music, only positive vibes, please, fam.
And also PolyMovement fam, and Poly businesses, please check out the merch that we wear, like on this video and every other video that we wear merch. Please support our Poly business out there. Let's help our Polys get up there.
But yeah, other than that, much love, fam. Stay safe and see y'all in the next video. Bye.